Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to study about transpose of a matrix, which is very easy and important topic of this chapter. So let's start the lesson. What is transpose of a matrix? First try to understand with the help of an example. Suppose we have this matrix 1, 0, 2, -1, 3 and 5. Okay. Now if you want to find the transpose, then transpose is denoted by A transpose, or you can write A dash. Okay. And what you will do for this? See, this is the first row. Yes. So first row will be converted into first column. So 102 will be now first column. And same I will do with the second row also. So second row will be converted to the second column. So it will be -1, 3 and 5. Okay. So like this you will find the transpose. So how you will find the transpose? By converting rows into columns or columns into rows. Okay. Let's have another example. For example, suppose we want to convert this matrix and we want to find the transpose of this matrix. So suppose this is A, matrix is A, then its transpose will be what? A dash, or A transpose also you can write. Okay. Now this matrix, first row is 2, 0, -2. So this first row will become first column. So it will go vertical. Okay. Then second row will be converted into second column, means 1, 2, 3. And then the third row will be converted into the third column, means 5, 3, 1. Okay. Like this you can find the transpose. See how easy this topic is. Just you have to convert rows into columns or columns into rows. Okay. What simple thing you have to remember here, that if order of A, order of the matrix A is m by n, then order of matrix A dash or A transpose will be n by m. Okay. As I have told you in that example, that this was the first matrix 1, 2, 3, -1, 0, 5. Then its transpose was, so this was A, and then its transpose, say A dash, it was like this 1, 2, 3, -1, 0, 5. So what was the order of A? Order of A was 2 by 3, because there are 2 rows and there are 3 columns. And what about this? This order will be 3 by 2, because you can see there are 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay. So like this, if order of A is m by n, then order of its transpose will be n by m. Okay. Just simple thing you will have to remember. Okay. Now we will see the properties of transpose of the matrix. These properties will help you to solve many questions in the exercise. Okay. Now, if A and B are two matrices, then addition of transpose means A plus or minus B whole transpose. It means transpose of addition. It will be A dash plus minus B dash, means transpose of addition or subtraction will be equal to addition or subtraction of the transpose. Okay. Then K times A whole transpose will be equal to K times A transpose, where K is any real number. Okay. It is not A, it is R, real number. Okay. Now A into B whole transpose, it will be equal to B transpose times A transpose. I will tell you how to use these properties in the question also. Okay. Now another one is A transpose whole transpose will be equal to A. Okay. This thing you can understand easily with the help of an example also. Suppose we have A is equal to 1, 2, 5, -1. Okay. Then A transpose will be what? It will be 1, 2 is the first row. So it will be converted into first column. Then 5 -1 is the second row. So it will be the second column. and if you find its transpose again, so what you will get? So this is the first row now, so it will be converted into first column, and then second row will be converted into the second column. So what you can see here, we got A again. So this we got the result A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. Okay, like this you can verify any property, but it was the easiest one, so I verified here. Okay, we'll see how to use these properties in the questions. Now let's talk about these two very important matrices, symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices. So what is the symmetric matrix? Any matrix will be symmetric if its transpose is equal to the matrix itself. No doubt, in this case, matrix should be square matrix. Okay, only then it can be equal to its transpose. And the skew-symmetric, when it will be the skew-symmetric, any square matrix will be skew-symmetric if its A transpose is equal to negative of A. Now these matrices are very important for you, and you will have many questions in the exam based on this. So what you will remember, symmetric means you will find the transpose. See, A matrix will be given to you in the exam, okay? And then you will find the transpose of A. And how you will find the transpose of A? By writing rows in the form of column or column in the form of rows. And same you will do for the skew-symmetric also. So if transpose of the matrix is same as the matrix itself, so it will be symmetric. But if it is negative of the matrix, then it will become skew-symmetric matrix. Okay. Now let's talk about these questions. These are the very important questions for the same topic. They say if the matrix is skew-symmetric. See, this is given. So what you will understand here, if it is a skew-symmetric matrix, then A transpose must be equal to negative A, where A is this matrix given. Okay. Now find the values of A, B and C. So see, if you can recall this concept, this question is going to be very easy for you. So what you will do here, see, its transpose means 0, A 3, 2, B minus 1, C 1, 0. Its transpose means put a dash there, equal to negative A means negative times 0, A 3, 2, B minus 1, C 1, 0. And then just we need to simplify it. Okay. So transpose means I told you the row will be converted into column. So it will be 0, A, 3, 2B minus 1 is the second row. So it will become second column, 2B minus 1, and the third row will become third column. So C1, 0 is equal to, this minus will change all the sign of the matrix. So it will be 0, minus A, minus 3, minus 2, minus B, 1, minus C, minus 1, 0. And in my another videos, I told you that if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements will also be equal. So it means 2 must be equal to minus A. So minus A is equal to 2. It means A is equal to minus 2. This is the first answer. And then if you see B and B here, second will be equal. So B is equal to minus B. When it is possible that the number is equal to negative itself, then it will be possible when the number is 0. So value of B will be 0. And where do we have C? Yes, we have C here. So we can find it directly. So C will be equal to minus 3. See how easily we got the answer if you remember this small thing. That what is the meaning of skew-symmetric matrix? Skew-symmetric means when transpose of the matrix is equal to the negative of the matrix, then it is called skew-symmetric matrix. Okay. Now, this question is also very important for you. Express the matrix as the sum of a symmetric and a skew-symmetric matrix. Okay. Now, I am taking this matrix as A. Now, just as a beginning step, you can do here one thing. You find here A transpose, okay? Because for symmetric or skew-symmetric, we'll have to find the transpose. So find it. So this will be 2, 3, 1 is the first row. So 2, 3, 1 will become now first column. See, every time I am doing the same thing. 1 minus 1, 2 is the second row. So 1 minus 1, 2 will be the second column. Then 4, 1, 2 is the third row. So 4, 1, 2 will be the third column. Okay. Now, what we will do here? They say express the matrix. Here, for example, in the case of real number, I am telling you, if I say express 10 as the sum of two numbers so that one number is even number, another number is prime number. So what you will do? You will do 8 plus 2. Yes or no? Because 8 is an even number and 2 is a prime number. Okay? Now, in the same way, here we have to express this matrix as the sum of a symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices. So what I will do here? See, A can be written as half of 2A. Yes or no? We have multiplied and divided by 2. Now, we can write it as half of 2A can be written as A plus A. No problem in this. Then half of what I am going to do here, A dash will be added and A dash will be subtracted so that to balance the expression. Okay. Now, just pair them and equal. So, A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash. Okay. Now, what the thing is left here? A plus A dash means addition of these two matrices and A minus A dash, it means subtraction of these two matrices. Yes. So, let's do it quickly. Why it is erased? A plus A dash. Okay. Now, let's find the values now. Here it is half of A plus A dash. So, I have less space. So, I am adding it directly. Okay. And what I have told you to add the matrices, add their corresponding elements. So, 2 plus 2, it will be 4. Okay. Then after that, 3 plus 1, it will be 4 again. Then after that, it will be 1 plus 4. So, it will be 5. Now, next is for the second row, I am doing little directly. 1 plus 3 means 4 minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 2. Okay. Then 2 plus 1, it will be 3. Then 4 plus 1, 5. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 2, 4. So, this is A plus A dash. And then half of A minus A dash means we need to subtract them. So, what I will do here? 2 minus 2 means 0. 3 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 4 minus 3. Then 1 minus 3 minus 2. Minus 1 plus minus 1, 0. And then 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 1 minus 2 minus 1 and 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. Now, just divide this every element by 2 because outside we have 1 over 2. So, it will be 2, 2, 5 by 2 and then 2 minus 1, 3 by 2, then 5 by 2, 3 by 2 and 2. Same here, plus it will be 0, 1, minus 3 by 2, minus 1, 0, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and 0. And this will be your answer. How you will check it here? Just find the transpose of this matrix. You will see it is the same. And find the transpose of this matrix also. And you will see it is the negative of the matrix. So, it means this is symmetric and this one is skew-symmetric. Okay. And this will complete your question. Okay. No doubt this question was little lengthy, but it was easy question. Okay. Now, let's see the last question for this topic. If A and B are symmetric matrices. So, first of all, from this information, what we can write? Since they are symmetric, so A transpose will be equal to A and B transpose will be equal to B. Then show that the symmetric A and B, A into B is symmetric if and only if. I told you IFF means I told you IFF means if and only if. This is not the misprinting, okay? So AB is equal to BA. We have to show both the things, okay? So first of all, first part we are taking this as the given statement, and then we will prove that AB is equal to BA, means A and B commute, or AB is symmetric. Okay, so what we are going to do, AB is symmetric means AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Okay, now you see B dash is equal to B, here it is given already in the question, and A dash is equal to A. So if we have taken AB is equal to BA, then what we can write here? We can write AB. So what we have done? We found the transpose of the matrix A into B, and it was equal to the same matrix AB. So therefore, AB is symmetric. And its second part, what we are going to do? In the second part, we will consider AB is symmetric. It means AB transpose is equal to AB, and then we will prove that AB is equal to BA. And how can we do this thing? See, what I told you, this is at the property AB whole transpose is B transpose A transpose is equal to AB. Then B transpose is equal to B. It is given in the question. A transpose is equal to A, also given in the question. So BA is equal to AB. This part also we have shown. Yes. So see, if you remember the easy definitions, then how easily you can prove the questions. I am sure you learned something from this video, and if you think that such videos will help you increase your knowledge, then subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.